good morning students. Our today's topic is exercise 5.2. First of all, we start this exercise. We will discuss about circle graph or pie chart. Have you ever come across data represented in circular form as shown figure 5.4? This is the figure first, which is the time spent by a child during a day. For sleeping 8 hours, school 6 hours, play 3 hours, other activities 3 hours and homework 4 hours. These are called circle graph. A circle graph show the relationship between a whole day and its part. Here the whole circle is divided into sector. This is the whole sector and this divided sleep. This is the sector of sleep and this is the sector of school. This is the sector of play. This is other activities sector or this is the sector of homework. The size of each sector is proportional to the activity or information it represents. For example, in above graph, the proportion of the sector for hours spent in sleeping. So this is the portion of sleeping sector. So the hours spent on sleeping 8 hours. So here the number of sleeping hours upon whole day. The number of sleeping hours 8 hours and whole day 24 hours. So this is 8 upon 24 which is 1 upon 3. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So this sector is drawn as 1/3 part of this circle. That means this is the sleeping part is the 1/3 part of this whole circle. Similarly, the proportion of the sector of hours spent in school. This is the sector of school and hours spent in school 6 hours. So the number of schools are 6 hours and total day 24. So the proportion of it 6 upon 24 which is 1 upon 4. So this is school. This is the 1/4 part of this circle. So here, so this sector is drawn 1 upon 4th of the circle. Similarly, the size of other sectors can be found. A circle graph is also called a pie chart. इस circle graph को हम pie chart भी कहते हैं. Now, here 5.4 drawing the pie chart. Now, how to draw the pie chart? So here, the favorite flavor of ice cream for students of a class is given in percentage as follows. So this is the table. Here first one flavors and this is percentage of student preferring the flavors. So here chocolate flavor 50% students, vanilla 25% and other flavors 25%. So here let us represent this data as pie chart. So here the total angle at the center of the circle of a circle is 360 degree. We know that the total angle of the center of the circle is 360 degree. The center angle of a sector will be a fraction of 360 degree. 360 degree. Here we'll make a table to find a central angle of the sector. So here table flavor chocolate, vanilla and other flavor. Here students in percent preferring the flavor chocolate 50%, vanilla 25% and 25%. And now the fraction of percentage, this is 50 and total percentage 100. So 50 upon 100. So here 1 upon 2, 25 upon 100 which is 1 upon 4 and 25 upon 100 which is 1 upon 4. This is the fraction. Now fraction of degree. So here fraction of degree is 1 upon 2 of 360 180, 1 upon 4 of 360 is 90, 1 upon 4 of 360 is 90. Now we draw a pie chart here. So first of all, draw a circle with any convenient radius. Mark it O as a center and OA as radius. So here we'll make a circle which is center O and radius OA. The angle of the sector for chocolate is 180 degree. Now OA we make an angle 180 degree which is AOB equal 180 degree. Now the other sectors vanilla or other flavors. So here this is the part of suppose C. Now we make an angle AOC equal 90 degree and same as BOC equal 90 degree, which is the sectors of vanilla and other flavors. So this is the complete pie chart. With the help of this process, we solve the questions of exercise 5.2.